Hello friends, how are you? This is Vinay from iOSInterview. Today we will discuss about Singleton vs Dependency Injection in iOS. So moving further on the video, if older people sit down and ask what is it, but the boy asks what can I do with it? It is code by Steve Jobs. Now moving further on the video, the topic we will cover on this video are introduction, singleton advantages, disadvantages of singleton, dependency injection, DI, dependency injection advantages, dependency disadvantages of dependency injection, conclusion, choosing the right approach. So before moving further on the video, if you did not subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel and like my video up and also press the bell icon for further important updates regarding iOS interview. So now introduction in iOS development, managing the creation and sharing of objects is crucial. Two common approaches for managing object instances in iOS are singleton and dependency injection. While both serves the purpose of providing access to objects, they differ significantly in terms of implementation and impact on code flexibility, testability, and maintainability. Let's understand both further. Now, singleton. A singleton is a design pattern that restricts the instantiation of a class to a single instance and provides a global point of access to that instance. This pattern ensures that only one instance of a class exists throughout the application's lifecycle, making it available for other parts of the code to access. Singleton is suitable when global accessibility to a shared resource or state is required. Object instantiation and management are straightforward. Few changes or variations in dependencies are anticipated. Disadvantages of singleton. Testability. Singleton can introduce dependency on shared global state, making it challenging to isolate and test components independently. Tight coupling. As singletons are accessed globally, it can lead to tight coupling between classes, making it difficult to change dependency or substitute implementations. Thread safety. Care must be taken to ensure thread safety when multiple threads access and modify a singleton instance concurrently. Let's see an example of implementing a singleton in Swift. Class mySingleton, static let shared equal to mySingleton, singleton instance, private init, private initializer to prevent external instantiation, func do something, print singleton doing something. Now we can use this like this, mySingleton dot share dot do something. And now moving on, the dependency injection DI. Dependency injection is a design pattern that focuses on providing objects dependencies to a class from external source rather than creating them internally. It promotes loose coupling between components and enables more flexible, testable, and maintainable code. Dependency injection is preferable when testability, modularity, and loose coupling are prioritized. Flexibility to configure dependencies at runtime is needed. Significant changes or multiple implementations of dependencies are expected. Disadvantages with dependency injection. Integration complexity. Adopting dependency injection may introduce some integration complexity, especially when integrating with existing codebase or frameworks. Dependency graph management. As the application grows, managing the dependency graph and ensuring proper configuration of dependencies can become challenging. Increased code verbosity. Implementing dependency injection may require additional code for dependency configuration, potentially increasing code verbosity. Implementing of dependency injection in Swift. Now we see the example of how we can implement the dependency injection in Swift. Now we will create a protocol my dependency and declare a function perform action after class my dependency implementation. We inherit my dependency protocol func perform action and print dependency performing an action. And we create another class like my class, let dependency instantiate the dependency object from my dependency and initialize init dependency my dependency self dot dependency equal to dependency and created a func use dependency so dependency dot perform action. Now we will use like this let dependency equal to my dependency implementation. We created a dependency object from my dependency implementation class. After let my class, if we are using that in our class, then let my class equal to my class. We can instantiate the dependency with that dependency and my class dot use dependency. So by this we can use the dependency injection. Now summary. The choice between a singleton and dependency injection depends on various factors such as application size, complexity, testability, requirements, scalability needs, and team expertise. So friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have learned something new here. Please comment below if you want download link for this PPT, so I will provide it on description box. So now friends, thanks for watching my video. Also please like, share and subscribe my channel for getting such type information video related iOS interview. Thank you.